County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, southern Monroe County in west central Wisconsin, until 4 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coon Valley, or 12 miles north of Iroquois, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cashton around 3:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Wildcat Mountain State Park, County Roads G&H, Jersey Valley County Park, Portland, Spring Ridge, Highway 1461 and County North and Highway 33 and County Y. This includes Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 29 and 41. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southwestern and west central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: La Crosse, Monroe, and Vernon. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXT.